How to do predictions for twins, right? In astrology, there is a big question that when we have a twin baby is born, right? So they are born in the same lagna and in the same horoscope. So how to distinguish and how to do a proper prediction for people who are born with 5-minute difference and 10 minutes difference? Because this question has been asked to several astrologers by several people that okay, you are doing predictions about me and you're doing predictions about my sister and brother, mother and everybody, but what about the people who are born as twins, born in the same time, almost 5-minute difference? So if you want to know the secret about how to make predictions about twins, then watch this video till the end. And remember to subscribe to Purab's Astrology, because if you subscribe to Purab's Astrology, you will get my regular updates, notifications and video. And remember to hit the bell icon. And once you hit the bell icon, don't hit the bell icon again, because otherwise you will miss out on my notification. So hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great. And I welcome you back to Purab's Astrology. Let's find out how to do prediction for twins. Guys, astrology is a very deep science, and the deeper you try to dwell in it, the more amazing it becomes, right? So there is a Lagna Kundli which we all are born with. So you are born in an Aries ascendant or Taurus ascendant or Gemini ascendant for that matter, right? So in Lagna Kundli, each house or each Rashi is approximately, not exactly but approximately 30 degrees each. So there are 12 Rashis and there are 12 Bhavas, right? Now what happens is, when we are born as twins, right, or you have twin babies born, even though the Lagna chart, the Rashi chart, the Sun chart are same, right, but how to identify the difference, from where to see the difference in their lives? So that is why Parasharaji and the other ancient seers have given us the divisional charts. Yes guys, the divisional charts. Even though the planet doesn't shift signs in the Lagna chart for a twin because they are born just 5 minutes apart, but there is a major difference when you see the position of the same planets in the divisional chart, right? So the planetary position in each divisional chart changes, but it is constant in the Rashi chart and the Lagna chart. So if you want to specifically see the married life of two people who are born as twins, then see the Navamsha chart, right? Even though the Lagna chart will have similar combination, but there will be a difference in the D9, the Navamsha chart. If you want to see the happiness from children, then see the D7 chart. If you want to see the strength, actual power of the planet for the twins, then see the D27 chart, Nakshatramsa, right? If you want to see the overall path of life and the overall experience that the soul has come to take, then see the D60 chart, the Shashtiyamsa, because most of the planet shifts its position in the D60 chart. So I don't want to extend and make it an elaborate video. I want to keep it brief. I just want to answer to those people who have always been questioning astrologers as to how to make different predictions for predicting when two people are born as twins. So even though the Lagna chart will give you the same prediction, but the divisional chart, the D16 chart, will give you good predictions about the various aspects of life. So for career, you can see the Dashamsha, the D10 chart, right? For the happiness from parents, you can see the D12 chart, Dwadashamsha, right? So every soul, even though they are born in the same time, but they have different karmas. No two souls have similar karmas, so no two souls will have exactly the same fortune or destiny. There will always be a difference, right? So understand what I'm trying to say and try to apply it in your horoscope. The next question would be to understand how to read the divisional charts, because there is a lot of confusion in the method of reading the divisional charts. If you want to know the secret of reading the divisional charts, then here it goes. You have to treat every divisional chart as an individual horoscope. You have to see and make predictions from the ascendant, and the first house of each divisional chart will give you the overall experience that you will be getting from that aspect of your life. So in the Dashamsha chart, for example, if you want to see the career of the twins, you have to see the Dashamsha chart and you have to first analyze the first house of the Dashamsha chart, how strong and well placed it is, the Lagna of the Dashamsha chart, and then you have to see the position of the 10th house and 10th lord in the Dashamsha chart. Similarly, if you want to see the marital happiness for twins, then you have to see the Lagna of the D9 chart and then you have to see the 7th house of the Navamsha chart. That will give you the overall experience this person will be getting from married life, right? So this is the secret method, guys. This is how astrologers go deep in differentiating and make different predictions for people who are born as twins. So I hope this video enlightened you. Subscribe to Purabh's Astrology. Hit the bell icon so that you get my updates constantly. Like if you like the video, dislike if you dislike the video, but show your reaction. I love you all. This is Purabh signing off from Purabh's Astrology. Adios. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.